Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Love Me hair wig install, and I'm showing you guys the blondish version of the box braids wig that I literally just promoted not too long ago, and that one was in all natural black. So if you have not seen that tutorial, please go ahead and go to my channel. I'll have it linked onto this video as well, but I don't think it'll show until the end. But anyways, this is called Love Me Hair's Ownscalp lightweight salon-like braids with a real scalp look. It's a full HD lace. It's the knotless box braids, and it also comes with the Flexi Fit Invisi drawstring cap. All right, so I'll show you guys exactly what that means in just a few, but a couple of key points about this wig, you guys. It's 180% density. The wig cap size is a medium at 22.5, but it does have the elastic band and the Invisi straps as well, where you can tighten your entire wig cap if your head is smaller than that. The lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, and remember, they are promoting this as a full HD lace. Has to be, because we have knotless box braids, right? So it needs to look as natural as possible. Now, one thing I do want to mention to you guys is please remember that this is a human hair mixed with synthetic hair. So it's not 100% human hair and it's not 100% synthetic. It's mixed. So if you're a little sensitive to synthetic hair like I am, just keep that in mind, okay? I have this wig in 26 inches, and right now on the website it's about $160, so it's really not bad. They also have some discounts going on, and of course I will have my discount code in the description box per the usual. So as always, I'm just, fitting the wig, seeing how it looks on me, making some room to show you guys those Invisi straps. So it's just these two clear straps on the side, and all you're going to do is pull them down, and this will tighten the wig cap and make it feel a whole lot more secure. It won't feel as loose. So if you're nervous about getting the medium cap size, which is at 22.5 circumference, you can tighten it, you guys. Remember, I used to complain about how big Love Me Hair's wig caps were on me, and these Invisi strap ones, they actually really do help. And I just hide the strap underneath the wig cap when I'm finished. So although this wig has the adjustable elastic band, it has the Invisi straps, we still got to worry about this lace. Obviously, the color is not 100%, and she's not 100% laid down either, so you will have to use product for this lace. And I don't want to hear any complaints about that, because as a fully knotless braided wig, I wouldn't expect anything less. I kind of feel like that needs to be done. You need it to look as natural as possible. So I went in with some spray off camera, and now you guys see me adding some loose powder on the lace, and that is because last time I added my cream foundation and I did not like the way it looked at all. So I started off with a deep loose powder because I just wanted the tint from that loose powder. I know it didn't really make too much of a difference, but in person it helped out a little bit. So then after I did that, I went in with some lace melting spray right on top, because now I went in with my my actual holding spray for to get the lace to lay down. I went in with the deep loose setting powder to get that tint on the lace. Now I'm adding some lace melting spray to melt all of that together, and as you guys can see, it was working out very, very well. So after that lace melting spray melted and did what it was supposed to do, this is what we were left with. Now, I am pretty happy with this. The only thing is that, the lace does not fit 100% well around my ears. You guys know I don't really like to do the 13x4 frontals, the full laces, mostly because my edges come out far and I have my own reasons. So I kind of have to wear this wig simple. I have to wear it down because there's certain areas that I just don't want showing, and I feel like that's okay. In my personal opinion, this isn't a wig that I would wear every day. I wouldn't wear it consistently, especially because of that synthetic blend, and I'm a little sensitive to that. This is a good alternative to, saving some money on getting your hair braided. As far as the wig in itself, it's not too pricey, so I just feel like this is a really good alternative to a protective style, money saver, whatever. So if you guys are interested, I will have the link in my description box per the usual. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.